Ready to go flying?
Go flying.
LaGuardia, good afternoon. Cirrus 212 Papa Foxtrot 1500 northbound on Hudson. Should be a good one. Should be an epic approach.
Center 5, Mike Whiskey, contact Toronto Center, 133.4, yes.
Alright, 33-4, Cirrus 5 Mike Whiskey, see ya. Toronto Center, hello, Cirrus 595 Mike Whiskey, 6.3 descending 6 south, we got Charlie and Billy.
Before takeoff here, doors.
With 7 departure, Cirrus 595 Mike Whiskey, good afternoon, 1.7, climbing 3 south. On have Docker, lift takeoff, T-5 right at Fox, Vision Jet 5 Mike Whiskey.
November 5, Mike Whiskey, contact Denver Center 134.5, have a good day.
Wowzer. Dude, that is freaking awesome. Yeah.
Denver 5, Mike Whiskey, what's your max float airspace?
250, we can hold that as long as you need.
This is Jet 5, Mike Whiskey, contact departure 124 and 905, have a good day.
November 5 Mike Whiskey, is that the Max Walden?
It is this the DK?
This is him.
November 5, Mike Whiskey, Chicago departure, radar contact, climb maintain 13,000.
Roger that, sir. We're clear to land runway 16, copy the remarks, Cirrus 5 Mike Whiskey. Citation 2 Romeo Fox, 1600, we're climbing the 2000 runway heading.
Citation 2 Romeo Fox, clear direct rev, contact Boston Center 133.42.
How does it feel going more than 250 now?
Feels pretty good.
I'll cut that out.
LA 301.